welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Storytime with Marika. So, you see how we looking? We look crazy. Look. We looking crazy. And Ming Ming tired of me, and I surely tired of me when Ming Ming. So, ULAHAIR sent me a wig, a 2x6 closure wig, and we're gonna do an unboxing. Sorry. So let's get straight into it. This is it. And it comes with the wig inside, a rat tail comb, some lashes, a wig cap, and then instructions on how to put on the wig, what you could do with the wig, how to, you know, shampoo, condition, what you could take, what you can't take, and so on. And then this is the actual wig. So of course we need to get rid of Ming Ming. Ming Ming look a mess, but anyways, toss it to the side for now. This we're using the same braid down but a different. That is raking off my edges. So of course you need to use your adhesive remover, your wig remover, whatever you use, so that you protect your edges. Do not just rip this off, because no, you would end up with no edges, baby. You don't want to end up with no edges, because yeah, you would look cute with the wig, and then when the wig come off, you're looking bald in the front, and that can be happening. So take off the wig cap, and we're using the same braids, because why would I lose this out, wash my hair, and then, like, my braids are only a week old. So jail braids, thumbnail. So yeah, and this is how we looking. I'm removing all this glue, and then we're gonna start with the, gonna open her up. Right. Just now. Oh gosh, I can never see comes here. Yes, I'm gonna take that. So this is her. It's a 2x6 closure wig. So this is the closure, and then it's a bob. You see her. So I'm gonna show you it just as it is on my head first, and then when I actually customize it. So this is no wig cap, nothing, no plucked anything, no bleach knots, nothing at all. This is it just as is. And then let's get into the install and fix her up to my liking. The wig already came to pre-pluck, but I just pluck it a little more so that it lay flat at the top. And well, yeah, right. So after I just pluck it a little bit. I didn't want to over pluck, and then I bronze the inside, tint it a little bit so that it looks a little more natural. Marika, what going on in the back there? Nah. Right, so this is how we're looking. If you're wondering why my hair wet, that's just oil. Because, you know, if you're using wigs as a protective hairstyle and you're not taking care of your actual hair, the hair that you are protecting, then it is not a protective hairstyle. Oil your scalp, massage your scalp, and then do your next install. Do not be doing install after install and just neglecting your hair under there. Please don't do that. But anyways, yeah, this is the wig. I just tint it a little bit, and the best part about it supposed to be that, you know, it's glueless, so it's supposed to just be able to pop on. So let's just see how the popping on thing looking for us. So clipping it back. Clipping the front here. Clipping the next in the front here. and then just flip up. Supposed to. Now let's see what we have to fix with this. I already did my little, like, you know, customization, but I think I never really wash straight hair, so I think that is why I'm like, oh, what's going on here? We need to do something. We need to do something. But let me flat iron this, and then yeah. Sorry, that back camera flick not working today, because tell me why I look cross-eyed. Tell me why I look like I'm going through it. Anyways, rest the wig on your head. Why did I say head like that? Rest the wig on your head. Cut off the lace. I watched that video saying, and it's a good thing. It's a good thing I check it from now, because you know it's to do the whole video and then realize, wait, now you're looking cross-eyed, and then you want to do it over. No, because that's the same thing that happened the other day with me doing a story time to post for y'all. Yeah, same thing happened. I swear I pressed record, the whole thing, the whole video, I said I'm talking for 15 minutes, the whole video ain't even record. You could tell me about me? I just be going mad, boy. Anyways, this is the glueless. The glueless wig. We have to flat iron it or curl it or something, because what's going on there? But let's get rid of the lace first. Let's get rid of the lace in front. Let's now cut off the excess and I'm realizing, but we still have hair in front here. We still have a lot of hair in front. I mean, lace in front here. I actually have to go out later, so my hair needs to look good, because I'm not about to look like a crazy person. No. Alright, so this is it. Let's get our brush. Get your little brush. And yeah, that's not, I don't know why my brush skin open, so I'm going on it. Anyways, fix the part. Fix the part. Going straight down. Fix the part. Move the little hair in front there. Fix the lace. Blend it well. Blend it well. Make sure it's laying good. It done looking seamless and good already. Okay. Okay, this is better. I don't like the straightness of it, so we need to fix that. And you see this little flap we're annoying now? I need to cut it off, because why not lying down? Just lie down. The rest of the wig lying down. Oh gosh, lie down now. Behave yourself. Oh gosh. Alright, anyways, so right, this is the wig. This is it. We got to fix this up. I'm going to flat iron it, and if I don't like it straight, this is actually the length of my natural hair, because when I did a silk press in December, this is how we looked. But still, like, what's going on? You know, what's going on? I actually wore it with a side part then, but this is a middle part, and I need to like it. So let's try to fix it. Me no tell me I know how to use a flat iron. No. These curls wasn't killing. Clearly catching my tail with that flat iron. So you know what we're gonna do? What we do best, heatless curls. Let me get my rods. We're going to put rods in this thing. Take it off. Rest it there. Let it sit for like a couple hours, and then put it on when I'm getting ready. I always gave myself unnecessary hard work. I did fighting up with these rods and forget this wig could come off, and then remember, wait, now it could come off. So we back. This is her. I curled her using my flat iron. I know I said heatless curls, but those heatless curls wasn't given. They wasn't given at all. So this is our base. Yes, I put on the minks that came with my ULAHAIR package, and this is how we looking. I leave my edges out. I tried to flat iron them, but I didn't flat iron them good. And then we're just gonna pop on the wig. I'm kind of afraid to mess up the curls, so but I'm gonna take it like piece by piece. Just put on the bun, round my head, pull along this so hook she in the back there, big she in the front here, hook she here, hook she here. Make sure she's centered. That's how she looking, just on my head, and do nothing. Now we put a little makeup in front here and pop her a little bit at the roots and stuff. Using my makeup and my brush. I don't like how it's not laid like flat on my forehead, but we'll fix it up. We will. Don't mind me talking to myself. I always do this. Always. But how we feeling the curls? I really think that I am allergic to straight hair, because for nothing, I just find it don't look good on me. I just don't find it looks good on me. Like, no. And that's exactly why I curled this wig today, because I was like, straight? A straight wig? No, wrong person. Yes, Matthew? What? Oh, not me burning my finger. I can't. I'm afraid to rake out these curls and then they mash up. And I feel like my middle part not middling. How are we feeling? How are we feeling? Are we feeling good? I'm raking them out. I'm going to rake them out, because let's just pray. I put some oil on my hand, and let's just pray and hope for the best. Afraid. But yeah, I'm going out in like just now. So if I mess up these curls before it is time to go out, maybe you will have a problem. I feel like I didn't. Okay, good. This is the install as it is 2x6 closure glueless wig.
Mommy, look at me.
Yes, I see. I did curls on it. You could wear it with curls, you could wear it without curls. It is human hair, so you can flat iron. It could take heat, it could take coloring, so on and so on. I need you to go check out ULAHAIR for your hair supplies. They are a great hair plug. You can tell me what material you're doing. Anyways, that's how we looking. Rate start at 10 in the comments. Lashes and the hair. And stay tuned for more installs. Don't forget to use my discount code and the wink the wig is linked in the description box below. That's it for now. Bye.